Good morning, my dear children. Let us learn lesson 7, Help Your Parents. And in this lesson, it is given the story of Somu, a well-liked goldsmith. Goldsmith means who are making gold ornaments with gold. Okay, he used to make ornaments for all the villages, and Somu had three sons, Golu, Sonu and Monu. All of them were goldsmiths, and they are also making ornaments with gold. Somu's sons are also goldsmiths. All of them were goldsmiths. Somu was getting old. Golu made a huge bungalow near Somu's shop and also made a shop in the city. And Golu was rich and he made a huge house, a bungalow, and at the same time a shop in the city. And Sonu also joined him in his business. They had no time for their father and they were very busy and they have no time to look after their father. Somu and Monu lived together in the old house and Monu living with his father in the old house. Monu looked after his father well and Monu looked after his father well. He gave him food, care and medicine on time. Somu blessed him in return. One day Somu opened his shop and checked all the tools. He called all his sons and told them to join him to repair the shop. Then one day Somu opened the shop and he asked the help of his three sons to repair his shop. Golu and Sonu refused to help. Golu and Sonu are not ready to help. They did not have any time for their father and they did not have time to help their father. Somu was in tears. Monu could not see the tears of his father. He decided to renovate the shop. Next day, they both started cleaning and repairing the shop. Somu's shops became famous once again. He was very happy. Dear children, if we obey our parents and help them, God will bless us. Underline, if we obey our parents and help them, God will bless us. Parents are the visible sign of invisible God. Underline, parents are the visible sign of invisible God. Let us respect and love them. We should never hurt our parents with our words or deeds. We should help them. Your parents work day and night for your well-being. The family that respects parents will be blessed. Underline that also. The family that respects parents will be blessed. As a student, can you help your parents now? Yes, we can help in little by doing little helps. Jittu was a student of class 3, your class. He was the only son of his family. His parents were very rich. They gave everything he needed. He was doing nothing at home. His parents did not have any problem. And Jittu was in a rich family. So his family giving everything and he was not doing any help to his parents. His parents were also not feeling any problem in it. Then Jittu asked, one day his teacher was explaining the need of helping the parents. Jittu asked the teacher, why should I help? My parents do not need any help. I will help them when they become old. Teacher corrected Jittu. She said, all the students must help their parents in their own little way. Teacher asked all of them to make a list of ways they help their parents. For the first time, Jittu decided to help his parents. He wrote 5 ways by which he can help them. So you also write 5 ways through which you can help your parents. You write your own answer here. How do you help your parents? And after reaching home, Jittu went to the kitchen. He asked his mother, shall I help you, ma? Without waiting for any answer, he folded the newspaper and kept it on the table, then took a broom and cleaned the floor. His mother embraced him and thanked him, and his mother hugged him with love and thanked him. Then, for the first time, Jittu thanked his mother for doing everything for him. During dinner, his mother told his father about the change in Jittu. His father also praised him. From that day onwards, Jittu started washing his plate by himself after taking the food. He began to help his father by keeping the spectacles in the cover and cleaning the bike. If anything is not in proper place, Jittu used to rearrange it, and he started to clean his home. He started to keep the things in order. Like this, he helped his father and mother. If we love our parents, we will definitely help them. It is a sign of our love and respect towards them. By obeying and helping our parents, we will express love towards them. Mark this, it is a sign of our love and respect towards them. Mark these lines and learn it. Then let us remember, children who love and fear God will love and respect their parents. Who said? Saint Chavara. Next, parents are the visible sign of invisible God. Really, parents are the what? Sign of God, a visible sign of God. Okay, so we should love them, we should help them. Okay, then here you have to write the name of your father and mother. Next, second question, the family that respects parents will be blessed by God, will be blessed by God. So today all of you read this lesson. Okay.